Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I'm really enjoying playing Zelda Breath of the Wild on the new Switch 2, but it's a little annoying to go from this HDMI into settings to change it back to the computer. I want to try to figure out how to play in the computer. Don't know the correct terminologies, but I think this is moving towards Twitch streaming. I've never been good at computers and technology, so I want to use this chance to motivate myself, to learn about a new hobby. Let's do some research. Okay, so to play the Switch 2 on PC, we need a video capture card. That is moving towards Twitch streaming, but this we need a lot more stuff, so let's focus on one step at a time. I'm watching this video by Elgato. They seem to have pretty good cards for the Switch 2. I looked at all of these, and this one happens to be at a Micro Center. I love going to Micro Centers. I am blessed to have it around me. It is a little out of the way, but let's go shopping. We're back from shopping. I saved $20 because they will price match. Ended up with this 4KS instead of the HD60. This one is supposed to be better and it's also cheaper for some reason. Big thanks to Darian. If you're ever in the Tustin, California Micro Center, big thanks to him for helping me out, and just chatted with him about Twitch streaming, got a bunch of ideas for what I want to do for the future. Let's do the unboxing and head inside. This is what came in the box: HDMI cord, HDMI out into the Elgato, other end goes into the monitor. This plugs into HDMI 2. The PC is currently plugged into HDMI 1. Hopefully with some magic rerouting, we don't have to toggle back and forth. So this is asking, external input has been connected. Do you want to use? No. USB-C goes into the Elgato, other end goes into the PC. And lastly, we have to plug our Nintendo Switch in to the Elgato. So this was plugged into that. So now this goes into HDMI in, and we have to install software now. Gonna do that in the time lapse. This is what my OBS looks like after downloading and installing it. To get the Switch footage onto here, we click this plus button, add video capture device. Okay, we only have one, that is the Elgato. Now we could play our Zelda without toggling back and forth between HDMI 1 and 2, but I didn't have any sound. I did a quick Google and it said to change this monitor off into monitor and output. Now we could hear the crickets. Very excited to maybe start Twitch streaming in the next video, but for now, 338 done.